Hello and welcome to Cryssberry Kitchen. Today we are going to make wheat banana muffins, both plain and chocolate flavor. We'll make the batter using a mixer jar in a quick and easy method. So let's go. So here in a mixer jar, I will be adding about half cup of granulated sugar. That's the normal sugar. We'll first powder it. Now we'll add about 1/4 cup of oil, that's cooking oil. I'm using sunflower oil today. And 2 bananas, it's medium sized bananas. Just break it into pieces before adding it. And then we'll just grind it again. It's done. So now we'll add half cup of curd or yogurt, whichever you have, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 1.5 cups of wheat flour. Run the blender for a few seconds to get everything combined like this. If you find the batter very thick, you can add about 2 tablespoons of milk and just run it for another 10 seconds and it's done. So now we will fill the muffin cups. So these are silicone cups and I have few metal cups also. So I will be greasing the metal cups with some cooking oil. And I'm not greasing my silicone cups. So now let me fill the batter. We'll fill the cups up to 3/4 level. Don't overfill it, otherwise your batter is going to rise and overflow while baking. So after filling, just tap it. Now for the chocolate muffin batter, I'll add about 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And just run the blender for another few seconds and again fill the muffin cups. Okay, here I have preheated a heavy bottom vessel and placed a plate inside it. Now I'll place the muffin cups carefully. Be very careful because the vessel is really hot. Okay. So now we'll cover and bake it for another 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted inside comes out clean. So it's been 20 minutes now. Let me check. I'll just insert a toothpick in the center and see it's not done. So we'll bake it for 10 more minutes. Cover it. So now after 10 minutes, let's check. Okay, so it's done. So let's unmold it. As you can see, it's very easy to unmold from a silicone cup. And let me show you the inside of the muffin. See how well it's cooked. It's really fluffy and soft. And the chocolate muffin. And wow, it's perfectly done. Hope you like the video. Do subscribe to my channel and cook, share, enjoy.